Let's stop pretending. The Democratic Party isn't just losing control. They're building their own extremist cult. That's right. While they scream democracy, they're feeding people fear. While they point fingers at Trump, they're turning their own voters into fanatics who believe every conservative is a walking threat. Genius plan if you're rooting for chaos. They know exactly what they're doing, pumping panic into people's faces every single day. Trump will destroy America. MAGA is a threat to national security. Get ready because he's going to destroy the world. And then they wonder why their own voters are freaking out, fighting in schools, threatening neighbors, calling everyone Nazis, trying to save democracy by burning anyone who disagrees. Paid influencers like Harry Sisson and Aaron Parnas are all in, feeding outrage, chasing clout, and pushing the narrative that more censorship, more control, and, of course, more government is the only way. The radical left has become exactly what they claim to fight. And now the only question is, when the mask finally slips, who's still going to act surprised?